faithful fans. This is Nicole, Show Me the Snow Steven, and I am back out here risking my life to let you know what the conditions are out here on Old Road. As you can see, there's really not much snow, but look at it. We're up to our ankles in water, in slush, in not movable snow. It's crazy out here. We got a car coming right now, and I'm risking my life. I'm in the middle of this right now, and it's blowing the snow down. Cars are flying by. The regular teacher tools here, ruler, I can't measure nothing. Get that out of here. The umbrella, it's not safe to be out here. Why? Because in the words of Jim Couture out there on ABC, whoa! We got lightning and thunderstorms happening in the middle of snow. Look at the lightning. Whoa! All right, my faithful fans. It's still snowing. I'm not sure what school is, because look at it. Look at my footprints. This stuff ain't moving itself. The snow plows, they're coming by. The cars, you're driving on the streets, but you can't walk on the sidewalks. Stay in your house. Stay safe. Don't bring an umbrella out here. And don't go getting hit by a plow. We gotta move, people. Nicole, Show Me the Snow Steven. Get it out of here.